Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a sweet classic, cake pops, but this time with a smoother, improved version. Same love, just better lighting and better texture. We're starting with the basics. 3 eggs. Crack them into a bowl. If your eggs are cold from the fridge, let them sit out for 10 minutes first. Room temperature eggs whip up fluffier. Science. Add in 100 grams of sugar, about half a cup. Now whip it like you're trying to impress your grandma. Light, airy, and no sugar crystals left behind. Use a mixer on high speed for 5 to 7 minutes, or until pale and fluffy. And if you're mixing this by hand, we salute your forearms. Next, sift in 100 grams of all-purpose flour. That's about 3/4 of a cup. Don't skip sifting, it helps keep the batter light and smooth. Gently fold the mixture until fully combined. Don't overmix. We want cake, not rubber. Line your baking pan with parchment and give it a light grease. Pour in your batter, smooth it out, and pop it into a preheated oven. Bake at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes. Use the good old toothpick trick. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let the sponge cool down completely, then carefully remove it from the pan. Now we crumble the cake. You didn't miss a step. We just did this off camera because watching someone crumble cake for 5 minutes isn't exactly binge-worthy content. To the crumbs, add 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk, around half a cup. Then add 80 grams, 1/3 cup, of softened butter. Not melted, just nice and room temperature. Mix it all together until you get a smooth, dough-like texture. It should be sticky enough to hold shape, but not dripping off your hands. Yes, it's sweet. But come on, it's dessert. If you're counting sugar here, maybe skip to the salad videos. Now roll the mixture into balls, about the size of a walnut. If it's sticking, wet your hands slightly. It'll help. Melt 240 grams, about 8.5 ounces, of chocolate over a double boiler. Use dark, milk, or even white chocolate. Dealer's choice. Just don't overheat it. Dip the end of each cake pop stick into the melted chocolate, then immediately stick it into a cake ball. This helps glue it in place. Cake Pop Engineering 101. Pop them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to chill and firm up. Now time for the final dip. Take each cake pop and dip it into the melted chocolate. Let the extra chocolate drip off. Don't rush it. Patience equals pretty pops. Stand them upright in a display stand or even poke holes in a cardboard box. Anything works, as long as they stay upright and don't touch each other. Question time. What chocolate would you choose for the coating? Milk, dark, or white? Let us know in the comments. We're building the most delicious database ever. Once the coating is fully set, they're ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Hope you loved this upgraded version of Cake Pops. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss more tasty recipes and fun kitchen moments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.